Without any preparation, without notebook, without pen, without any support from ChatGPT or AI tools, right? In this moment, I wanna try be brave, just doing by myself, all inside and for today I only wanna tell you about my activity uh, this day. So overall, everything uh, was really nice. Everything goes very well. Yeah. So I woke up from my bed at 5 a.m. in the morning, and I uh, step out of my room to get a glass of water right uh, in the refrigerator, absolutely out of my room. So it takes some while to get there. And after that, I was feeling very well after I get a glass of drink. And after that as well, I start to stretching my body. I was so very uh hard. I was so very hard to move or to move my hand like this one because lack of movement. So that's why I go to the simple exercise to stretching my body. And the I was really I was feeling well after I doing that for a moment. Yeah, and I really wanna continue it and for a couple of minutes, but I still had another task to do. So I considers to stop right there and move on to another activity. And you know, guys, I actually uh, wanna I would I would want to take a sport or jogging right that moment. So I would go down of stairs and get out from the my room and would walk out from walk up and the rock. But because I woke up so very late, so I wasn't prepared myself for that moment, for that kind of activity. I wasn't prepare my shoes, prepare the clothes because uh, 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 I have clothes that I do. I usually put on while I having sport because I would not use all the clothes just for sport because taking sport uh, taking spurs was not going to be clean or it's going to be uh, sweat. It's going to be sweat. It's going to be dusty. Yeah. Moreover, nowadays the weather uh, is summer or massive hot, so uh, it would be dusty weather while I would start to take a sport. And I think that's the way I start my activity after I wake up in the morning.